Chapter 11 Minitab. This activity includes 3 questions. Using the data in the textbook data set, answer the following questions. Question 1, create a rate for active primary care physicians, Social Security beneficiaries, and also public school expenditures. Remember from the prior Minitab, in order to create a formula, you're going to select a column and then locate the formula icon. I'll just locate it right here. So click on a column, and then the function will become available for you. And you're going to go ahead and what I did for the faculty was I took the column data, the public school faculty, which is located in column 6C17, and I divided by the population in column C2, and I'm going to use a base number of 1,000 for each of my calculations. I'm going to multiply 1,000 times public school faculty divided by the population. And I went ahead and I put that into column C85, and the same thing for the live birth rate. I divided the live births by the population, and again I used a base number of 1,000. And you can see the first couple of columns, first couple of values in my 2 columns here. Now you want to use these variables. Now you're going to be using primary care and the Social Security beneficiaries to create a histogram and a box plot, and also experiment with some additional displays and which displays are most helpful. So in order to do these displays, you're going to go to Graph, and I'm going to do a box. I'll go with histogram first. Simple. Select the variable, and I'll go ahead and I'll select, let's say, the faculty rate. And then just OK. And so there's my histogram, and in a similar fashion I can calculate the box plot. Graph, box plot, simple, select my variable. OK. And there's my box plot. And then you want to use the variables. In question 3, you're going to be using public school expenditure, standardized variable, and also the average SAT scores to calculate various summary statistics. Let me scroll down the handout so you can see that. You're going to calculate various summary statistics, and then what do those statistics tell you about the similarities and differences between the 2 distributions. So I'm going to go ahead and use the faculty rate variable again. And so I'm going to go to Stat, Basic Stats, Display Descriptive Statistics, and I'm going to select my variable, and again I'll use that faculty rate variable. And you want to go into statistics, and you only want to do certain ones, so you might want to unclick the ones you don't need. So I selected mean, standard deviation, the quartiles, the median, the IQR, the min and the max, and the range. And I also like to do the number of missing and the total number. And then hit OK, and OK, and then there's your summary output. And again, now you're going to be comparing, you're going to be looking at 2 variables here and comparing the 2 distributions using those summary statistics. What do you want to look at? You can look at the centers, the spread, etc. You may want to actually do some graphical displays for this question also.